Okay, so I'm basically just gonna go by this and check off everything that I can until I feel like I haven't captured the e-girl aesthetic. So yeah, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and add a wing and hope that I can fix it, because right now I look a hot mess. Hey guys, what's up? It's Amy. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you've had a good week thus far. I hope all of you guys are doing great. So I've noticed that there's been something going around a little bit that my generation isn't as familiar with, but Gen Z definitely will know what I'm talking about when I say this. So if any of you guys have the TikTok app, if any of you guys know what the TikTok app is, then you're definitely gonna know what I'm talking about. There's a couple of aesthetics here on this app of like people. I'm not gonna go through all of them, but basically one of them is something called an e-girl. Now I didn't really know exactly what this was when I first saw it. I had to do a little bit of research, a little bit of digging around. I have come to the conclusion that basically an e-girl is Gen Z's version of millennials' version of what like emo girls like used to be like when we were like younger a little bit, I guess. So I thought it'd be fun to try and transform myself into an e-girl today. As I was looking around, I don't really see a lot of like brown girls doing this transformation or doing the e-girl aesthetic. So I mean, I thought, you know, why not try something different. I also came up with a list that I noticed are common themes I see of pictures of like e-girls, which I have right here as always. So first, let's go to Urban Dictionary, because you know they keep it real. An e-girl, there's also e-boys too. It's not like just for like one gender. E-girl or e-boy is a type of subculture popular on the social media app TikTok. Typically the girls have bangs, shorter hair, sometimes dyed hair, darker colored or pastel clothing, some sort of face piercing. The boys may have longer curly hair, baggy sweaters, beanies, and sometimes face piercings. Styles can be compared to emo. Then they also have like the hearts under the eyes, and they have like pink makeup. Okay, so I'm basically just gonna go by this and check off everything that I can until I feel like I haven't captured the e-girl aesthetic. So I'm gonna first start with my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna like part it a little bit in the front, their cheeks, like to their nose. Some people might add faux freckles. I feel like the idea is just to really play up this aesthetic as much as possible. I want to try doing a dry twist out on my hair or a dry braid out. And usually all I do is like twist it a little bit, like barely, and then I just like wrap the end around itself. Okay, I got the hair down. This is what I want. Oh, should I do baby hairs? I think I'm gonna put on this shirt that I got from the thrift store. The one about the Star Wars one, because it's black and it has like some pink accents. So okay, so I got the shirt on. I think it might be coming together. Piercings, okay. I want to get the top of my ear pierced. Why is it so hard today to get in of all days? I think what would make it or break it really is the makeup. That's what I think. And I think that's the part I fear the most. So, okay, so I'm gonna take, of course, the most colorful palette I have in my possession right now. Take me back to Brazil because it has a whole rainbow of colors. I really hope that this like ends well, because I'm really not in any way, but okay. I think I'm gonna go in with this bright color right here, this one. And then I think the light one I'm gonna use is this one, I think. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and add a wing and hope that I can fix it, because right now I look a hot mess. So this is what we have so far. I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm gonna line the waterline with some black. What if I have this whole aesthetic wrong? I'm gonna cry. Here's the first eye. Light pink is gonna look too ashy on me, so maybe I should go for this like deeper pinkish red. I think I'm gonna mix like this ice pop and coral and see what happens. Aren't the tips of their nose pink too? Oh, it's actually showing up. Oh, hold on, we might be doing something. Hold on. Oh boy, that's way too much. I mean, that's like what they have, right? And tap it across the bridge of my nose. Let me zoom in for you guys. Wow, it's actually pink. All right. Oh, I did it. Ooh, ooh. Oh, I'm doing it. You can't tell me nothing, right? I know you see this heart. Look at that. Bro, this is cinematic. I'm so excited. What? Okay. Is it bad that I like this? Alright, so here's the final look. What is that thing they be doing on TikTok or something? They be like, what does that even mean? Like, what is that? Like, they're thinking? They be like,
huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne.
And last but not least, in addition with this final look, I'm very proud of myself for. You can't be no e-girl if you don't have TikTok, so. Oh yeah, she's definitely e-girl enough. Okay. Oh, what do I do? Okay, I'm gonna make it short because I don't know what to do. They be dancing or something? Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really hope you did enjoy. And yeah, this is my transformation into an e-girl. Tell me down below in the comments how well you think I did, or if you think I could have did better, I could have added something. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up and like it, and let me know if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you already have not, because it's really lit over here on this side of town. And hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload. And also follow me on all my social media. The links will also be in the description box down below as well. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, or I'm an e-girl. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.